Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The molecule shown is a 6-membered cyclohexane ring bearing an exocyclic carbon-carbon double bond is equal to CH2 replaced by is equal to C at one position, which is itself double bonded to an oxygen, is equal to C is equal to O. This gives the fragment cyclohexane ring with C1 is equal to C is equal to O. Moving on to the next step. The C is equal to C is equal to O unit is a ketene, cumulated diene with oxygen. When the ketene carbon is part of an exocyclic double bond on cyclohexane, the parent is cyclohexylidene. Cyclohexylidene is equal to cyclohexane ring with one carbon bearing an exocyclic double bond attached to methanone, C is equal to O. Moving on to the next step. The exocyclic alkene portion is named as cyclohexylidene. Cyclohexylidene is equal to cyclohexyl with a double bond from the ring carbon outward. The terminal is equal to C is equal to O is methanone, one carbon ketone ketene terminus. Together, cyclohexylidenemethanone. And for the final step. Cyclohexylidenemethanone is a cyclic ketene where the ring carbon is doubly bonded to the ketene carbon, which is doubly bonded to oxygen. Cyclohexane ring C is equal to C is equal to O. This exactly matches the drawn structure. Therefore, the correct answer is cyclohexylidenemethanone. The correct answer is shown on screen.